Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to find your LinkedIn ID in 2025. Whether you're updating your resume, connecting APIs, or just curious about your profile details, knowing your LinkedIn ID can save you time and hassle. It's that unique string of numbers in your profile URL, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. If you're not, head over to linkedin.com and sign in with your email and password. Once you're in, the easiest way to find your ID is by going to your own profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. That's the one with your photo. Or by searching for your name in the search bar and selecting your profile from the results. Now, look at the URL in your browser's address bar. It should look something like this: www.linkedin.com/in/your username. At the end of that URL, after the slash, you'll see a string of characters or numbers. That's your LinkedIn ID. For example, if the URL is www.linkedin.com/in/john-doe-123456, then John Doe 123,456 is essentially your ID. But if it's a custom URL, you might need to note it down as is. If you're on the mobile app, it's just as simple. Open the app, go to your profile by tapping your picture, and then tap the three dots in the top right corner. From there, select Share Profile, or Copy Link, and you'll see the full URL pop up, which includes your ID. Pro tip: if you can't find it easily, LinkedIn might have updated their interface by 2025, so double check for any new options in settings. Once you have your ID, you can use it for all sorts of things, like job applications or developer tools. Remember, keeping your profile up to date is key to networking success. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.